continuity, flexibility, originality, and loyalty, I would say. The Lloyd's market is not a single place. It is a group of 90 syndicates, just over 90 syndicates, each write for their own account. Lloyd's traditionally and today still operate on a subscription basis. So most of the contracts for delegated authorities have multiple syndicate participations, which means that the cover holder gets the opportunity to have a plan B on the table all the time. If one underwriter fails to survive or doesn't want to write the business any longer, another market is there to be able to take over. That's where the loyalty comes in from Lloyd's as an overall marketplace. The flexibility comes from their response to opportunity being presented to them. They don't have a glossy brochure on the shelf. They wait for the cover holder to come to them. And our role as an underwriter, as a broker to the underwriter, is to stop them waiting and to get them into action.
There's several advantages, I think, with working with Lloyd's and working with a syndicate. One, there's not a lot of movement, and if there is movement, it's within Lloyd's. So the underwriter that you start off with is often the underwriter that you're still dealing with decades later. And from my own perspective, although I've moved twice, I'm still dealing with the same people from 2 decades ago. I think one of the other advantages of transacting business with London Lloyd's is the fact that it's syndicated. So in other words, you do have syndicates that will write 100% of the program, but you also, like us, we tend to take a lead position and then we build support behind it. And there's an advantage to the US cover holder broker in that there's strength and depth. So you've got another set of eyes, another set of expertise, and there's also somebody that, for whatever reason, if there's a change in appetite, there's another syndicate that can then step up to the plate and lead that program. I think that's where Lloyd's has been successful on that, and I think they've also been successful that there's an alignment of interest because there's a profit share, and the profit share is, as it states, we share our profits with our cover holders.
Well, we've got great reputation for real niche expertise in certain sectors of the business that we can help our brokers with, understand the books of business, design a new product, working alongside those brokers. It's very much a relationship between us and the distribution chain beneath us.
I think there are several advantages of working with Lloyd's. One is you're more likely to be closer to the decision maker. Syndicates generally are staffed with decision makers who have the authority to make those decisions. I think the security is fantastic. There's mutualised security, so you're not just dealing with a syndicate, you are dealing with a whole body that has real funds behind it. And the various security firms around the world substantiate that in their ratings.
Lloyd's has always got the A-rated security, so it's been in existence for over 300 years. We have worldwide licenses, so a lot of people do now trade around the world, and so we find the big benefit is when you have international companies. We've got a good track record of developing products, and it has a good track record of paying claims. So I think it's really the security and the products, and I think you can actually go meet the underwriters, so you get deals on the spot rather than approaching companies for. I think it's quite hard to get binding authority type deals out of the USA companies in the swiftness as you can just go meet the underwriter today, and they can sign you up very quickly.